Hello everyone, welcome to BVLSI Design Lecture 30C. Today we are going to implement a complex Boolean expression using a clocked CMOS logic. Okay, so let us start implementing. So our question is implement f is equal to a dot b plus c plus x plus y x into y the whole bar using C square MOS logic. So first we will write the expression as it is, and then we'll write the expression in the form of pull up and pull down network. So the first part over here is my pull up network marked in the blue box, and the second part over here is my pull down network marked with the red box. Okay, and why we have multiplied this expression with logic 1? Because pull up networks connects the output towards VDD, and my pull down network connects the output towards the ground. Okay, so we design a pull up network for a dot b plus c plus xy the whole bar, which you can expand it using the De Morgan's law. So which you will get a bar plus b bar dot c bar dot x bar plus y bar. Next, we'll implement a pull down network for a dot b plus c plus x plus y. So all this pull down network will consist of NMOS transistors, and this pull-up network will consist of only PMOS transistors. So let us start. So let us start concentrating on the pull-up network first. So here we have A bar plus B bar C bar. So here it is one PMOS transistor with input A is connected in parallel with two PMOS transistors connected in series. That is A bar plus B bar dot C bar. And this thing entire arrangement is connected in series with two PMOS transistors with the input X and Y connected in parallel. Here it is. Okay, so we are implementing A bar plus B bar dot C bar dot X bar plus Y bar. So this is my pull-up network design. For my pull-down network design, I just have A dot B plus C plus XY. So this is A dot B plus C plus XY. So we have our NMOS transistor which is connected in series with two NMOS transistors connected in parallel, and this arrangement is connected in parallel with another two NMOS transistors with the input X and Y. So this is my pull down network. So in between your pull up and pull down network, we have MP transistor, PMOS transistor whose input is connected to clock bar, and I have NMOS and NMN transistor whose input is connected to the clock. And at the output node, we have connected a node capacitor, which is C out, output node capacitor C out, wherein we measure the V out voltage. Okay, so this expression is this implementation will give us the expression of Boolean expression of f is equal to a dot b plus c plus xy the whole bar. I'll show you the complete design now. I think it's not fitting the screen. Okay, let me try to reduce it a little. Yeah, so this is my design. Okay, complete design. I have my pull up network, I have my pull down network, all the transistors, and also I have MN and MP transistor whose gate terminal is connected to clock and clock bar, and here I have the output node. Okay, so this is my implementation of a complex Boolean expression using C square MOS logic. Now number of transistors required over here, we can see for pull up network we require 5, for pull down you require 5, and 2 additional for this. So total transistors are 12. Actually, you require 2 more transistors to implement clock bar from clock. Okay, so 2 additional transistors will also be required. So in general, n input C square MOS logic requires 2n plus 2 transistors. Now since we have 5 input, it will be 2 into 5 plus 2, that is 12 transistors. But I told you additionally we require another static CMOS inverter to implement clock bar from clock. Okay, so in short, this is how we implement any complex Boolean expression using C square MOS logic. So I think this circuit over here is my transistor level implementation of my complex Boolean expression, which is given by f is equal to a dot b plus c plus xy the whole bar. And this has been designed using the C square MOS logic or clocked CMOS logic design style. Okay, so I think that is all for this session. Next time we will start with a decoder circuit. So until then, have a good day and thank you.